Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna be doing a little bit of fixing up on this, a little bit on maintenance. I've been checking things over and haven't been using this for a while. Other people have been riding it too. Rip CV boot. I'm gonna kind of go around, clean things up on it, check it over. So I know I've got a rip CV boot, pull the plow mount off, and see if there's anything else. Hopefully there's not anything else, but get it ready for spring, ready to ride some more. It's gonna get wet and muddy out here, so let's go get this ATV ready. Also gonna check the tire pressure because one of the tires looks a little bit low. Also going to be replacing the differential seal here. Differential and axle seal goes between there. That seemed to be leaking, so I've got a new one for that. This type of axle, you'll push in the axle till you feel like a little bit of an indent, and that's going to release the cup from the differential. So push that in, pull the cup, that will pop out. Then we can replace our seal, pop that out. Pop our new one in. Get that cleaned up with your rag and then slip your new seal in there. You're gonna work it around and get it started in there. You want to get it in there straight so you don't ruin the seal. Then I've got a ring that's about the same size that I can use to tap that seal in. It's got open holes, so I can just tap around the edges of this and it will push that seal in there. Then just work my way around and get that seal in there until it's sitting in there flush. Make sure all the edges are in flush. You want to make sure you tap it in evenly around the edges of the seal and just get that seated in there nicely. Clean up our axle a bit here, then we're ready to go. Stick that all back together. Gonna have to push the axle back in, kind of indent that mechanism to reinstall it. Pop that back in. We're going to clean up the rest of the hub here, get this all cleaned up, and stick them all back together. I always grease the bearings when I've got the axle pulled out. For any reason, I just go ahead and do that. Also grease up the axle itself for putting that back into the hub. Get this all tightened back down. Retorque everything down to spec, reassemble, and we're good to go. Alright, we got it all back together. I'm going to pull the plow mount off probably tomorrow. Got enough done for today. It's getting dark. I want to go ride, so let's get it. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. We got this thing all put together. Just going to pull the plow mount off later. Probably get that in a different video. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe, follow along. A lot more tips and tricks on the channel. Be sure to check out this video next, and I'll see you there.